Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix very slow iPad after the update on iPad Air 2026. So first, go into Settings, then General, and make sure that you really have updated your iPad. Then go back into the iPad storage, and here offload unused apps. You can enable it or manually offload, for example, photos and offload app. Then go into the Safari, website data, and remove all the website data. And that's pretty much it. If it's still slow, you can just restart your iPad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.